Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing the project tip calculator. I've started a new playlist called Projects where I'll be discussing topics related to Python and doing projects to help me understand different topics and to improve my understanding on these topics. I have decided to upload videos so that if others have any similar doubts or how they would encounter such a situation, how they can overcome it. So for this reason, I've started this playlist. So I will start. I'll start how the tip calculator works. So for a basic tip calculator, I will provide a basic print statement which will get displayed in the console, and for the starting of the program, I'll take an input as bill. This is a bill, and I'll take it as an input variable. And the what would be the input variable is that you can give whatever the amount of whatever the total bill which you have consumed in a restaurant, or whatever the food you have consumed in a restaurant. So I have put that the variable tip as the tip we want to give to a person. So I've indicated 10, 12, or 15 as the percentage of tip we would like to give to the waiter or waitress. So the next I have put people variable and provided an input variable input function, so that we can divide the we can also divide the how we want to split the bill depending on the number of people who attend the dinner or the hotel. And so I have taken to assign them to assign them in a mathematical order. I have taken the bill as a bill as float, because the bill can be a floating point number. Suppose the bill comes up to around $150.50. So we would require a floating point integer to calculate the bill. So I have taken the tip as an integer variable only, because I have not considered floating point, as it might be a bit complex for the time being. So I have taken the number of people as integer, which is a basic understanding to everyone. So it cannot be a floating point, because that would be stupid. So tip as percent will be I have calculated a tip as percent, which will be tip as integer by 100. So I have calculated only upon integer. I have taken the required tip and I have divided by 100, and it is stored in the tip as percent variable. So to calculate the total amount, I will add total tip amount. Sorry, I'm not the total tip amount. I will add the bill also as the tip as percent to the total tip amount. So it comes up to around so I'll show that in the console how it works out in the total bill. So the overall which the overall bill of which the person has eaten, and the amount of tip he decides to give it to the waiter or waitress will be calculated in the total bill variable. And bill per person will be taken as the total bill divided by the number of which is stored in the people as int variable. So for the final amount, it will be, I will round it around the bill per person for twice to two digit numbers. So suppose I get a bill of around $150 and 25 cents. I will round it to around $151, which is it'll move two digits from the decimal point, and take as it is 0 point as 2 and 5, as 5 is five is comes as half up to it, and so it will consider the next number. So it will take as $151, and $151, and the number and the, $151. So this will be how I have designed this. So each person should pay the total amount, which is stored in the final amount variable. So this will be the first project which I have done as of now. And please don't include much complexity into this, because this is my very first video explaining a project and to improve my understanding. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. So thank you.